It's a beautiful day, yeah. Sun is shining, and I'm taking a stroll. Doing my walk today. I haven't walked for a while, so here I am out walking for a bit, getting them steps in, trying to keep fit. It's a little bit windy, but it's okay. I'm not going too far today. As you can see, there's a Jericho Journey. It's a bit busy, y'all. And I'm going over in the park just to walk for a bit. Yep. Who knows how beautiful that is. It's a beautiful day. Keep healthy. Keep walking. I'm going round in circle. It's nice. Got stuff to do, but I had to do my walking. You know. Yeah, baby. We're not getting younger. We're going up each day in age. So we had to put that steps in. If you can't run, walk, baby. Yeah. Bye, y'all. See you all next time.